What's it all about?
It's about God.
Yeah, what about God?
God is, say, God loves all us with all his heart.
God loves us with all his heart.
God loves us with all her heart, but some people love him. But everybody loves him, and everybody goes see him and cheer for him.
They cheer for him? Okay.
So it's God. Why everyone cheers for him?
Everybody cheers for God because he's God? Okay. That's cool. I hope so. Do you cheer for God?
Yeah.
You do? How do you cheer for God? Do you think it makes him smile when you do that? Yeah? So what else was your story about? I heard you talking over there, but I missed all of your story. I was hoping you'd tell me again what your story is.
And everybody loves God about him.
Yeah?
Wait, God, right here.
That's God?
Yeah. Pretend this is God, this is
Okay.
the trainer, and this is God.
Okay.
And everybody got God and nice.
Yeah?
Where everybody go? And God got lost forever.
God got lost forever? Okay.
Like God got lost. And someone comes. This was the fairies. You mean God angels? God called the angels. Hello? Angels, you have to come here and find me around. Like that. And it's found a bug.
So God called the angels, and the angels came down and flew him?
Yeah.
And where'd they fly him to? The truck? A truck?
And God found nowhere.
God flew nowhere? Or was found nowhere?
God stopped Peter and God says, look and 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 look. God didn't see anything. This hearing either. The God said, I will save him. And him fought.
Yeah.
And fight the fly but him this fought.
Oh.
And him can do it.
Yeah.
Him was dead forever.
Really?
Yeah, him was dead. And him didn't die. You're making it all wrong. And everybody gather up and run up. And God was awake. God didn't was awake. God didn't have awake. God didn't get awake. So he's holding him.
Who's holding him?
We are.
We are? Waiting for him to wake up? Oh, okay. Because he tried to fly and it didn't work?
No. Him is alive.
Now he's alive?
Yeah, God made a big noise.
God made...
Look.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Look at God made.
The magic of magnets. It was the God piece in your hand that made it do that, by the way. Did you realize that?
Yeah.
Hold it up against it again. Up where the end, where the magnet is. Put it up against it. No, the other end. Hold the, you gotta turn it sideways.
Like this?
Like that. Pretty cool, huh? It's the simple things. Now what? Thank God, what?
God flies.
You fly?
God flies the sun.
Yeah.
I have the sun up over the red.
You have to what?
I have the sun up like this.
Be careful. Is he flying? Wow. That's pretty cool.
Hello. Hi, glasses. Good.
I never knew God had a mustache.
God did.
No, how about that? Whoa! You alright? Okay. Just be careful over there, little missy.